Imagine planting flowers just once and enjoying stunning blooms year after year without replanting. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, I'm revealing 11 powerful perennials that come back stronger every season, saving you time, money, and effort. And trust me, number 7 is a total showstopper you'll wish you planted sooner. Lavender. Lavender is one of the most fragrant and reliable perennials you can plant in your garden. Known for its soft purple blooms and calming fragrance, lavender not only enhances the beauty of your space, but also creates a relaxing atmosphere. Imagine stepping into your garden and being welcomed by a soothing scent every single day. That's the magic lavender brings. This plant thrives in full sunlight and well-drained soil, making it perfect for warm climates. Once established, lavender becomes highly drought-tolerant, meaning you don't have to worry about constant watering. It's also resistant to many pests, making it a low-maintenance favorite for beginners. Another incredible benefit is that lavender attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, helping your entire garden flourish. You can even harvest the flowers to use in DIY oils, teas, or home decor. With minimal care, just occasional pruning and sunlight, lavender will return year after year, often growing fuller and more vibrant each season. It's truly a plant once and enjoy forever kind of flower. Daylilies. Daylilies are one of the easiest and most forgiving perennials you can grow. These stunning flowers are famous for their vibrant colors and ability to thrive in almost any condition. Whether your soil is perfect or not, daylilies will still find a way to bloom beautifully. Each individual flower lasts only one day, but don't let that fool you. These plants continuously produce new blooms for weeks. This means your garden stays colorful and lively for an extended period without extra effort. Daylilies require minimal care. They can tolerate drought, heat, and even partial shade. Once established, they multiply over time, giving you more flowers every year without needing to buy new plants. They're also great for landscaping, borders, and filling empty spaces quickly. Their long, arching leaves add texture to your garden even when they're not in bloom. If you're a beginner or someone who doesn't have much time for gardening, daylilies are a perfect choice. Plant them once and they'll reward you with vibrant blooms season after season. Peonies. Peonies are the definition of elegance in the garden. Known for their large, fluffy blooms and rich fragrance, these flowers are a favorite among gardeners who want a luxurious look with minimal effort over time. What makes peonies truly special is their longevity. Once planted, they can live and bloom for decades, sometimes even outlasting the gardener who planted them. Every year, their blooms grow bigger and more impressive. Peonies prefer sunny locations and well-drained soil. While they may take a couple of years to fully establish, the wait is absolutely worth it. Once settled, they require little maintenance. Their blooms come in shades of pink, white, red, and even coral, making them perfect for creating a romantic and eye-catching garden. They also make excellent cut flowers for indoor decoration. With proper planting and a little patience, peonies will reward you with breathtaking blooms year after year, becoming a centerpiece in your garden. Coneflowers, also known as echinacea, are one of the toughest and most rewarding perennials you can grow. These vibrant, daisy-like flowers are famous for their striking appearance, featuring bold petals that surround a raised, cone-shaped center. Their colors range from classic purple and pink to white, orange, and even red, making them a stunning addition to any garden. One of the biggest advantages is their incredible resilience. They thrive in full sun, tolerate drought conditions, and grow well even in poor soil. This makes them perfect for gardeners who want beautiful blooms without constant care. Once established, they require very little watering and maintenance. Coneflowers are also a magnet for pollinators. Bees and butterflies love them, and in the fall, birds like finches are attracted to their seed heads. This means your garden becomes not just beautiful, but alive with nature. Another benefit is their long blooming season. They flower throughout summer and often continue into early fall, providing months of color and interest. Even after blooming, their dried seed heads add texture to your garden. If you're looking for a hardy, low-maintenance perennial that brings both beauty and life to your garden year after year, coneflowers are an excellent choice. Tulips, or perennial varieties. Tulips are one of the most iconic spring flowers, known for their elegant shape and vibrant colors. While many people treat tulips as annuals, certain perennial varieties can return year after year when planted in the right conditions. These flowers bring a burst of color after winter, instantly brightening up your garden with shades of red, yellow, pink, purple, and even multicolored patterns. Their simple yet graceful appearance makes them perfect for garden beds, borders, and containers. For tulips to come back every year, proper planting is key. They prefer well-drained soil in a sunny location. In warmer climates, choosing perennial-friendly varieties and planting them in cooler spots can improve their chances of returning. Some gardeners even treat them as semi-perennials, enjoying multiple seasons of blooms before replanting. Tulips require minimal care once planted. Water them during growth, but avoid overwatering as bulbs can rot in soggy soil. After blooming, allowing the leaves to die back naturally helps the bulbs store energy for the next season. One of the most magical things about tulips is their seasonal surprise. After months of waiting, they suddenly bloom in spring, creating a breathtaking display that feels like a reward for your patience. If you want a flower that delivers elegance, color, and yearly excitement, perennial tulips are a fantastic addition to your garden. 6. Black-eyed Susans. Black-eyed Susans are cheerful, sun-loving perennials that instantly brighten any garden. Known for their golden yellow petals and dark brown centers, these flowers create a warm, inviting look that lasts for months. If you want a plant that brings consistent color with very little effort, this is a perfect choice. One of their biggest strengths is their toughness. Black-eyed Susans thrive in full sunlight and can tolerate heat, drought, and poor soil conditions. This makes them ideal for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to spend hours maintaining a garden. Once established, they require minimal watering and care. These flowers bloom from midsummer all the way into fall, giving your garden a long-lasting display when many other plants start to fade. They also spread naturally over time, filling empty spaces and creating a fuller, more vibrant landscape each year. Another great benefit is their ability to attract pollinators. Bees and butterflies love these flowers, helping support a healthy garden ecosystem. In autumn, birds may even visit to feed on their seeds. With their bright color, durability, and long blooming season, black-eyed Susans are truly a plant once and enjoy forever perennial that keeps your garden alive and glowing. 7. Roses, perennial types. Roses are often called the queen of flowers, and for good reason. While many people think roses are difficult to grow, there are many perennial varieties that are surprisingly hardy and easy to maintain. Once planted and properly cared for, these roses will bloom year after year, adding elegance and fragrance to your garden. Perennial roses come in many forms, including shrub roses, climbing roses, and floribunda varieties. These types are bred for durability and repeat blooming, meaning you can enjoy multiple waves of flowers throughout the growing season. Roses thrive in sunny locations with well-drained soil. Regular watering and occasional pruning help keep them healthy and encourage more blooms. While they may require slightly more care than some other perennials, the reward is absolutely worth it. Their blooms come in a wide range of colors, from classic red and pink to white, yellow, and even orange. Many varieties also have a rich, romantic fragrance that enhances the entire garden experience. With the right variety and basic care, roses can become a long-lasting centerpiece in your garden, returning every year with even more beauty and charm. 8. Shasta daisies. Shasta daisies are a timeless favorite that bring a clean, classic look to any garden. With their bright white petals and sunny yellow centers, they create a fresh and cheerful atmosphere that never goes out of style. These perennials are incredibly easy to grow and maintain. They thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, and once established, they require very little attention. They are also drought-tolerant, making them a great choice for low-maintenance gardens. Shasta daisies bloom during the summer months, often producing an abundance of flowers that last for weeks. Their long stems make them perfect for cutting, so you can bring their beauty indoors as well. Another advantage is their ability to spread over time. As they grow, they form larger clumps, giving you more flowers each year without needing to replant. Dividing them every few years helps keep them healthy and encourages even more blooms. Simple, elegant, and reliable, Shasta daisies are perfect for gardeners who want effortless beauty that returns every year. 9. Hostas. Hostas are the perfect solution for those tricky shady areas where most flowers struggle to grow. While they are primarily known for their lush, decorative leaves, hostas also produce delicate flowers that add subtle beauty to your garden. Their foliage comes in a variety of shades, including deep green, light green, blue, and even variegated patterns. This makes them incredibly versatile for landscaping and filling empty spaces under trees or along shaded pathways. Hostas are extremely low maintenance. They thrive in partial to full shade and prefer moist, well-drained soil. Once established, they return every year, growing larger and fuller with each season. In summer, hostas send up tall flower stalks with small, elegant blooms, often in shades of white or lavender. While the flowers are beautiful, it's the foliage that truly steals the show. These plants are ideal for creating a calm, lush, and layered garden design. If you struggle with shady spots, hostas are a reliable and long-lasting choice. 10. Coreopsis. Coreopsis, also known as tick seed, is a bright and cheerful perennial that brings long-lasting color to your garden. Its daisy-like flowers, often in shades of yellow, orange, or red, create a lively and energetic display. One of the best things about Coreopsis is its incredibly long blooming season. These flowers can bloom from early summer all the way into fall, providing months of continuous color with minimal effort. Coreopsis thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. It is highly tolerant of heat, drought, and poor soil conditions, making it perfect for low-maintenance gardens. Even if you forget to water it occasionally, this plant will continue to thrive. Another advantage is its ability to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, helping create a vibrant and healthy garden ecosystem. With its bright colors, long bloom time, and easy care, Coreopsis is a fantastic addition for anyone looking to add reliable beauty to their garden year after year. 11. Sedum, stonecrop. Sedum, also known as stonecrop, is one of the most low-maintenance perennials you can grow. This hardy plant is actually a type of succulent, meaning it stores water in its leaves and can survive in dry conditions with ease. Sedum thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it perfect for rock gardens, borders, and even containers. It requires very little watering and can tolerate heat and poor soil conditions, making it ideal for busy gardeners or beginners. What makes sedum especially unique is its seasonal transformation. In summer, it produces clusters of tiny star-shaped flowers, often in pink, red, or white. As the season progresses, the flowers deepen in color, adding interest well into fall. Even after blooming, the dried flower heads remain attractive, giving your garden texture during colder months. This makes sedum a year-round visual asset. With its resilience, beauty, and minimal care needs, sedum is truly a plant-it-and-forget-it perennial that rewards you with color and structure every year. So, why plant flowers every year when you can enjoy beauty that keeps coming back? Start with just one or two of these perennials and watch your garden transform season after season. Which one will you plant first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening secrets.